All right, let's switch gears and talk about a company set to come public over the next couple of months. That's Allbirds. Brian Sozzi, I know you've been waiting eagerly for this S1 filing to drop, and of course, you spoke to Allbirds CEO earlier this month.
Yeah, we're still digging through this filing. S1 just dropped this morning, a little earlier than I thought it was going to drop. Nonetheless, let me just highlight the revenue here. 6 months ended June 30th. Allbirds had put about 93 million, 117 million in sales from their business. Now they have lost, in terms of net loss, they have lost 21 million. That is up from 9.5 million last year. Company saying that it has 27 retail stores, 89% of its sales come from the online channel, 53% of its customers are repeat. So this will be an interesting IPO to follow. And as luck would have it, we just talked to Allbirds' co-founder, Tim Brown, about 2 weeks ago, where he discussed a new product launch, but also the potential for an IPO.
We've always imagined that one day we might be, but no updates there. We're keeping our heads down at the moment. We've got a fantastic growing team here in San Francisco and some offices around the world. We're still a very young company, and the big focus, as it has been from day one, has been on innovation.
Well, it looks like that decision has been made with the S1 coming out of here, Myles. But they're really playing up their ESG focused angle to investors here in this S1, focus on how they're just trying to stress that they make sustainable products, and they will continue to do that moving forward. So definitely not your normal retailer.
What was the date of that interview? I can't remember.
About 2 weeks ago.
I mean,
I'm looking for the story.
I'm just saying, August 17th. All right, so it's exactly 2 weeks ago. Neither of us are in corporate comms. I've never been in corporate comms. I understand I had a product launch. I understand you want to do media around that product launch. It's just a little strange to come out 2 weeks before. I mean, the S1 at that point, when you asked me that question, the S1 was basically done. So it's just a little strange to come out at that point and be like, no updates. We're focused on other things, because that's all you've been doing is the S1. But whatever, it's fine.
There are legal considerations to this. So
I know. I get it.
He was guarded.
I mean, I guess I sort of wonder, could you have waited to launch the apparel till like today, and then you just do it in one shot? But now you're in a blackout period. Now that as you get ready for the roadshow, so it's very complicated. It's just awkward, right? Ultimately, it's awkward for him. It's awkward for you. It's awkward for everybody that he had to be like, we're not worried about that. But hopefully we'll have him back, and water under the bridge.
You have any of their shoes?
I don't have any Allbirds. No, I'm a simple guy. I stick to Nike and Adidas. You have Allbirds? I feel like you do.
I don't have Allbirds, but I'm open to it. I'm open. When we go back to the office, I need something cool to walk around in.
Problem is, you're wearing a suit, so you're gonna look like a goofball if you're wearing Allbirds with a suit. But that's fine.